Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chuaahh. So today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial. It's finally, that doesn't make sense. It's finally time I've done a makeup tutorial. It's been a hot minute since I've done one. I don't remember what was the last one I've done. I think it was like around New Year's Eve, maybe? Yeah, the glam as fuck makeup tutorial, I want to say. Maybe? Yeah, we'll go with that. I guess, whatever. Anyways, so I'll be creating a makeup look using the Jeffree Star Valentine's collection. So I'm gonna be using the eyeshadow palette, and I still don't know which lipstick to use. So I got all four of these and all three of the ammunitions. I probably won't use Calabasas or Androgyny because I already use those a lot. So I probably won't even use any of the lip ammunitions for this tutorial. Probably gonna choose one of these. We're just gonna decide whichever one after I created my eye look. I usually decide which lipstick to use after I created my eyes. Created my eye look. Doesn't make sense. I can't even talk right now. Coffee needs to kick in. I drank the whole coffee. Got my nails done today. I think it's already kicking in because I'm talking way too fast. Anyways, so yeah, and if y'all wondering where is the swatch video for the Jeffree Star Valentine's collection, it is going to come right after this makeup tutorial. So after this is uploaded, I'm going to wait till the next day, then upload the swatch video. So yeah, watch out for that. Anyways, if y'all want to see what I've created with this eyeshadow palette, just keep watching, and everything else, yeah, we'll decide whatever lipstick I use. Just stay and keep watching. Yeah, that'd be nice if y'all stayed. That was just so weird, but anyways, onto the video. I think I need more coffee. So I already applied my contour, face, basically everything on my face except for lips and eyes. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna I usually start on my eyes after I do my foundation and all that, but I usually do the contour highlight last after the eyes. But yeah, we're just gonna deal with me doing that first. It's throwing me off that I did this before my eyes, so I know a lot of people do their full face then their eyes after, but I like to do my eyes after I do my foundation and powder, just because, and then contour highlight. But I do my brows before everything else, so yeah. Babbling again, like always. Anyways, we're gonna be using the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star, so I'm gonna open this up. Why is it so hard to open? Anyways, I kind of played with some of these colors so you can see them kind of used a little bit because I just wanted to see the pigmentation when I open this up. Anyways, we're gonna decide what color I'm gonna use. Let's see. I guess we're gonna start out with Cake Mix. So we're just gonna zoom in a little bit, I guess. Let's back up a little bit. I don't want to be too close to my eyeballs. Let's go. Right there. Y'all gonna be seeing me adjusting this shit. And yeah, there we go. So I'm just gonna dip in right into Cake Mix using my this fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna apply this as the transition color. The next color we're going to be using is, what color should we use next? I'm going to say, ooh, that gray color is pretty. We're going to use Tongue Pop actually. So yeah, we're going to use this little peachy color right underneath that transition color right in the crease just to give it some more color right there. So yeah, we're gonna go use a Tongue Pop. So now I'm gonna be using my Pure Minerals crease brush. So I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush right here and dipping it to Tongue Pop. like how this breaking pigment is so buildable because I don't like it to be too pink right in my crease right now. And I like how it blends with that other color. What's it called? Cake mix? It's so pretty. If y'all can't tell by now, I'm just literally winging this. Why does it look so high? Oh yeah, I adjusted it because I'm zooming in and out. Shit's annoying as fuck actually. Let's go right there. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, there. Anyways, the next color we're going to be using is, I want to use cherry soda actually. So we're going to use cherry soda, and we're going to be using my Morphe M433 brush right here. It's kind of dirty because I've been using it a lot and I haven't washed it. I washed my other brush except for my eyeshadow brushes for some reason. Yeah. Don't mind me. So I'm just going to dip into cherry soda using my Morphe M433 brush. So I'm just going to apply that right in underneath those other two colors. So we're just basically building and deepening in the crease area. Actually grab my previous brush and blend the edges a little bit if it's a little too much, because that was a lot of pigment in the crease. So I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm just going to dip into the previous color and blend this. So the next color we're going to be using is Fresh Meat right next to Cherry Soda. I'm going to be using my dirty ass Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, and we're just going to apply that with the Fresh Meat color and deepen up that crease color again. It's just basically just going darker and using smaller brushes towards the crease. I think I'm just going to apply some on the outer corner too actually. Last color we're going to actually be using is Coma, maybe? Yeah, we're going to be using Coma as the last color. One of the last colors for the crease. Not technically the last color. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see how deep the crease is. I'm going to use my other Luxie 207 blending brush. It's this little tiny crease brush. So we're just going to dip into Coma. And just do that in the outer V part right by the other color we just used into the crease. So the next color we're going to be using is a Donor. So I'm going to be applying that on my lid area using my Morphe E10 brush. So I like using this brush just to pack on a shimmery color. I like to spray on my brush with some setting spray. And just dip into that shimmery color just to make it more brighter. This full, not shimmery color, this metallic full color. And just apply that on my lid area and try cutting the crease area too at the same time. But for my inner corner, I'm going to be using the color Sweetener. So we're going to be using that in the inner corner and possibly the brow bone. So we're going to see how bright it is in the inner corner. And if I might just use it for the brow bone too and just lightly put it on so it doesn't be too much on my brow bone, you know? You feel me here? We're going to use my really old Morphe MB16 brush. You can't really see the lettering, but it's this little brush right here. And we're just gonna dip that into sweetener and apply that in my inner corner. Can you see my eyeball? There it goes. Too close. Is that better? Blurry, 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 blurry. Come on, focus. There you go. There you go, camera. Good job. So, yeah, like I was doing a second ago, just applying that on my inner corner. Focus again while you blurry as fuck. Come on, eyeball. Show. There you go. Hi, nice to see you. So I'm just going to apply sweetener in my brow bone too. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to apply all the same colors I did on the crease. So yeah, we're just going to do that right now. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay blending brush, so it's this brush right here. So I'm just going to dip into actually Fresh Meat. We're going to skip a few of the colors, so we're going to use Fresh Meat. After Fresh Meat, I'm going to grab one of my big fluffy brushes and use one of the previous colors just to blend that out a little bit more. I'm going to be using Tongue Pop, so dust off some of the excess and lightly put this on top and blend out that line. Kind of blow it out a little bit. Just, oh shit, y'all can't see my eye. Just like that. Just like that, and then we're gonna deepen that color up. We're gonna, which brush am I gonna use actually? We're gonna be using my Morphe M506 brush. It's this little crease brush right here. It kind of tapers up. So we're gonna be using Coma, and I'm kind of mix Intravenous. I haven't showed the color, so it's that brown color from that palette. So I'm just gonna mix those two colors together and kind of deepen up my lash line. So I'm going to finish my eyes with my liquid liner. I'm using the Wet n Wild H2o Proof Liquid Liner. So I'm just going to wing out my, my top lash line and add some mascara. And I'll be using the, let me grab it real quick. The Tarte Tartiest mascara I got from the BoxyCharm box. I think I want to say 2 months ago or 3 months ago, I want to say. So I'm going to be using that too. So I'm going to do that off camera, so I'll be right back. Now that I have my liner and mascara on, I'm going to be applying my House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and these are my favorite lashes ever. So I'm going to apply these off camera also. So yeah, I'll be right back again. So I think I'm going to be using Restraint for this makeup look, so we're going to see how it goes with that. So I really like this packaging a lot. It's so pretty. So I'm going to be using this metallic gray color. So I haven't used this. It's going to be the first time using it because I'm doing this totally backwards. I'm doing swatches after this makeup tutorial. Anyways, we're going to apply Restraint on my lips. Okay. Kind of sheer. We're gonna see second layer. Is this supposed to be this sheer? I feel like I look dead with this color. I don't know. I'm looking in the mirror behind my camera. Let's see. I'm just gonna let that layer dry first actually and just do the top. They applied a bit nicely on top, on the top lip, because I didn't scoop anything out and my eyes are watering. We're gonna ignore my eyeball for a second. I need to finish my lips. Because I already put this on, so this is what I'm gonna wear today. I mean, it's still, okay, I'll be right back. My eyes hurt. That's the end of this makeup tutorial using the Blood Sugar palette. and the Velour Liquid Lipstick Restraint from the Jeffree Star Valentine's collection. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment on this video. Let me know what you think of this makeup tutorial and what other looks you want me to create in the future, because yeah, I've been getting comments and I keep asking in every video what y'all wanted me to do and all that stuff, and I still haven't gotten answers anyways. I'm gonna try to do some more crazy makeup looks and all that stuff, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before I forget to say that for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social media. I have that all down there in the description box down below. So yeah, anyways, this is getting a little weird, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.